Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your email address on Best Buy account. So first we're going to go to the Best Buy app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then once you guys are here, you're going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner. Then next we're going to click on account settings. Then once you guys are here, you're going to click on email address. Then you're going to click on change. So they're going to send you a verification code via your email, the old one. Then you're going to insert it. Then click on continue. Then you're going to insert your new email. Then confirm it, as well as insert your password. Then once you're done, you're going to click on continue. They're going to send you a verification code via your new email you inserted right now. Then you're going to insert it. So as you can see, your email address has been updated. So that's how you do it. It's a very simple step. As I told you, we also have different videos in our How to Tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.